It's in a bit of a long shadow now. Getting there a bit late in the evening. As you can see, the sun has now got quite low in the sky. And this is absolutely gorgeous here. Yeah, this is the Barlaston side of the Rough Close Barlaston Common Walk Local Nature Reserve that I did a full video and review on a few days ago. But look at this with this lighting on it. This is bloody lovely. This is, and it's quite warm, but the rains are coming again. I don't mind, as long as it's warm. I think I'm just about to make on our decks recommendation. I've just been our decks, drop a card off, make my way down the bottom corner, he says, and there's a nice walk around there. It's basically on the perimeter of this walk. It goes up to the boundary of the farmer's field, which is in the bottom right hand corner down here, where you can see the tree line as far as you can there. And there actually is the farmhouse, so that's down to the boundary. That's the farmhouse there. Dax explained it to me. Oh, I've got the shakes on. Yeah, so I'm going to walk that way there. Let's go on wide. Yeah, I'm going to walk from that corner and up around on that tree line and come out more or less where I did on the last walk down here. Come on then, Mel. That's it, that'll do. Whew, that was rough. I've come right from over that end there, you can't quite see it's making, and I've come into a moor, what can I say? What's the word? Where it's more hidden. I can't think of the word. Yeah, this wood's right down to the bottom end of this walk, but there wasn't a driven pathway until the last bit of it, so there's a gate down there somewhere, and I think that's where they're coming in. That's why we've got a bit of a pathway. But yeah, this is more hidden away from the general public. But there is a walk here, look. Sure, Derek said there's some kind of a makeshift bridge or something down in this part of the walk. Isn't it, this bloody lead thing? It's like he's got a leg caught again in that lead. Pick your leg up. Yeah, there's water lying now, so and he says there's a stream somewhere back down the bottom end. It's getting quite dark here, so well, not dark. It's nowhere near dark yet. We've got the overcast, we've got the rain's kind of on and off, light showers, nothing heavy at the moment. The sun is just glistening through there. What time would it be? Around about 8 o'clock? Maybe 8:30. Christ, the cows have been in here. Get off for a cow pat. Woo! So the cattle roam through this part. Oh yeah, what's this here? Well, this is the boundary, isn't it? So there's some kind of tent here. Wigwam. Rainbow. Come on then, Milt, let's go look for the pot of gold. Wigwam. Tepe. Tepe's in a small tent. So yeah, oh no, there's a walk through here, look. But the gate isn't open. I find that all a bit strange. Nobody in there, is there? I would say that's for a bird watch, isn't it? It's a ranger on this on the common, is there? Although, yeah, it could be by Park Rangers bloody poster summit. We've definitely got a path now, thank goodness. That was rough coming over there. She went mental. She loves the bloody thingy of it. Because we haven't got a path like this. Kind of goes out of control, man. She just went loopy. As you can hear there, the passing traffic. So yeah, this side's onto, do you know, I forget the name of that road. That's the Stone Road. Goes past there. Is it Stoke Rugby Club? You know, I might make a part 3 of this walk, because I didn't realise how extended the walk could become. It's just such a pity there isn't a well recognised path though from that bottom gate where I crossed over on my last video to over the other side of the road on the road that goes to Longton Park. Yeah, so yeah, I think I'm going to make a part 3. Cocknage Road, that's the road I'm trying to think of. Yeah, there's a boundary fence there. I do know the name of that road there as well, that main road where the cars are going through, where you can hear the traffic, but it's escaped me. It is definitely the Stone Road, or one of the Stone Roads that goes up via Barlaston. Now, I would say this is probably the largest of the wooded areas on this walk. This is quite dense and getting quite dark. I hope this shows up okay on my videos, on my footage, but it is quite dark in here now. But it's showing quite light on my screen, on my phone, so it could be okay. Let's just have a look for the stream. It's how a deck was on about. He says if you go in the corner, there's like a makeshift bridge with a stream. It won't be up there because we're right on the perimeter there, so I'll go around this way on the edge of the wood. Well, there'll be some blackberries here when they come, late August, September time. It is a bit wild in places, but that's what I like about the walk. Almost unkempt, but natural. It's natural, isn't it? So yeah, I could kind of shortcut this walk. Come here, Mel. Oh, that's boggy. Look at that there. Just about walking. I was just about to just take some video footage of that there where that guy's walking to. Just noticed a van parked up there. There's a stile. That is where I'll park next time. Melly, you've gone the wrong way. Look what she's done. Melly, you've gone the wrong way round post, round the tree. Come round it, come round it. Oh, you. Thanks, Mel. Give me the old one around. Trust. Look, it's following me round it now. Stop there. Oh, come on. Jesus, I'm dizzy. Yeah, as you can clearly see, there's the opening there where I started off, and then I went over more to the right side. So if I continued and went left, and then I could come round this way here, there's plenty to walk, there's plenty to go at, isn't there? Yeah, and there's the pathway to the stile on the Barlaston Road. Again, I can't think of the name of it. Come on, Mel. She wants to do her own thing again. Try and boss it. Surprised how light this is showing up on the screen, because it's quite dark now. Oh, but I love the lighting in the trees now. Yeah, I'm definitely going to upload this. I think this is really nice. Come here, Mel. Yeah, beautiful. Oh, yep. And that's a 360 from where I'm standing. This is nice to walk on. Thick with fallen leaves that have not yet rotted from the last fall, or several falls, because it does rot eventually. Several autumns, falls, sound American. It's nice. Let's try and lighten it up a little bit. You get to see quite a bit of this in wooded areas, and that don't look like somebody's going to set fire to it. God knows what it is and why they do it. Yeah, I'm getting more impressed with this walk the more times I come. You've got the, you know, the varying terrain and views. I mean, when you go top end on the rough close, which I call the rough close side, it's all rough close in truth, Lightwood rough close. As I've said before, we're nowhere near bloody Barlaston. I don't know why it even comes under Barlaston Common. They've got the downs and everything. I don't know why they won't claim this part of it, because Barlaston's somewhere over there, them hills. Way over there. Way over. Oh, it's lighting up when I move the phone so you can see it a bit better. So I don't know why Barlaston's laid claim on it. Right. What was on? I've digressed there. I was about to say something. Oh yeah. So yeah, you've got the different terrains in different parts of the walk, and the higher up you go, on the rough close side, which was the first video I covered. You can see over into the Brecon Hills, which I pointed out at the end of my first video I did on these walks. So yeah, it's quite varied, and I do like this openness here when you first come into the walk here. And this is kind of where I started from. Yeah, there's another style or gate there I could come through, but we'll continue up here and go through the gate we came into. So yeah, this is the end of, again, I say part 3 of Barlaston rough close / Lightwood Common. And you can actually see them mountains there before I just thing it off. Quite faint though. Let me see if I can pan in on it. Yeah, right in, as you look at the screen there, bottom of screen, middle bottom screen now, yeah, the Wrekin, which you've got a good view of, as I've just been talking about, ironically, from the top side of this walk on the rough close side across the road. Okay, yeah, back to what I was saying. So we're out on our way out of this particular walk. I believe it's the 11th of July, Tuesday evening, around about, I'd say 8:30. It's got to be close to 8:30, even 9 o'clock, 9 PM of course, not AM. I've just said evening, so yeah, it's got to be PM, isn't it? And that's a walk out there. Millie, I hope you haven't got to have another bath. Only just bathed here. So yeah, thanks again for looking in. And as I say, I will be uploading this as part 3 of this walk, because it's more extensive than I thought. A bit rough down there, because I went off the beaten path down that bottom corner. Thanks, Deck. So yeah, and again, thanks for looking in. I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.